It is summertime. Today is a scorcher, and what that means when I go out to eat, I need to kind of dress up, and pants are just gonna kill me. Really bad. I don't like pants in the summertime. I don't like pants anytime. Like sweatpants are fun and exciting, but dress pants, fashion pants, I mean jeans I'll go to, but anyways, I like my things athletic. So when it comes to dressing up and being fancy or just acceptable, sometimes it gets really hard. Soon I'm going on a vacation, and that's going to be a major case. I'm going to be at restaurants, and they require, some nice dress-up attire. So what did I go and do? I made it a little athletic by getting golf pants. That's right. Forget suit pants, I'll use golf pants. They're nice, they're black, they're clean enough, and of course I want them to be sleek on me. I can't do straight leg anymore. Born very near end of the 80s, but I need tapered. I can't do straight leg. Sorry, I'm not old enough to do straight leg. Or maybe if you like it, comment below what you prefer, tapered or straight leg. But I'm talking too much. I got two pairs of pants for you today. Both, I believe, are golf pants, one more than the other. First pair of pants I'm going to have today is the UA Drive Tapered Pants. Now, I'm pretty sure these are the new pants replacing the old UA Under Armour golf pants called Match Play. But correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it's just not the right season. But I was looking for a pair of Match Plays in tapered in the 34-32, and I could not find them anywhere. Could not order them. They were all sold out. So it's like, you know what? I'll bite the bullet. I'll buy it full price. Go on the website. Let's check out some of this newer product. So anyways, first one I have is UA Tapered Pant. The next one I have is the UA Iso Chill Tapered Pant. Now the only reason I don't know if this one is as golf-y as the other one is it didn't say anything about being a golf pant other than being in the golf section. It doesn't say match play or any of those other indicators. It just says Iso Chill, and Iso Chill is just a nice cooling material or whatever Under Armour uses. Breathable. So that's what they name it. Anyways, so let's look at the first one here. I'm not sure which one this is because they're both 34s. 110.01. Okay, so here's the UA Drive Tapered Pant in black. Let's have the first look at it. Came nice and folded in the pack there. You can see the sizing. If I bring this lighting just over a little bit for you. 34-32. Now as it goes per sizing, I've had to go up almost all of my sizing, all my shorts, all my stuff. I can sometimes still fit a medium, but most of the time now I'm fitting a large, which to me relates to a 34 waist. And when it comes to height, if I really need to, I can squish a 30, but I'm 6 foot, so a 32 is ideal. Right, so we're going to open this up. It's just going to drop down, and you probably won't get the greatest look if I put it sideways maybe, but you'll see better when I try it on. Very plain and simple. Okay, nice black like that. So you got nice simple plain black button, belt loops, the information tag on the back right there, the sizing and everything. Anything standing out? Is there any logos on the pants? I don't see anything. It just looks like a nice clean pair of black pants to me. So I will go throw these on after we look at the very last pair that I ordered. So here's the UA Iso Chill pant. Now we'll see how much different it feels in my hands, because that's the one thing about the material. I'm feeling them in hands, and the Iso Chill feels a little less like nylon, if you can understand that. It feels a little more smooth, a little less rugged. If I take the bottom of the pant here, it's kind of more rough, where this one here, softer. I don't know, you would probably have to get them in hands, and they're not very easy to tell the difference. Wow, I can already see the difference. So on the other ones I had, the match play or whatever you want to call it. Is it match play? Sorry, one more time. Drive, not match play. The inside, this is Under Armour with the bands. Kind of keep it up if you don't have a belt, but who's not going to wear a belt with these? These ones, boom. These ones I think are a lot better. Kind of more scrunchy at the top. They have kind of this. See, the other one had the sticky that's down here. This is more of like a collared type thing. Nice folded over. On the inside, the button, well supported. So personally, if you are looking to get one of the two, there is a little bit of a price difference. These ones being 110, where these ones were being 100, I would go up to the 110 just for that little difference. This one I'm definitely keeping and using. The other one, I don't know. Should I return one of these? Should I keep both? You know, maybe I need more than one. What do you guys think? Would you keep both or would you return one? Anyways, let's go try these golf pants on just so you can see and let me know then afterwards maybe. So we're talking too much. Alright, you can see the nice clean look right at the waist. That's how they fit. Very stretchy, flexible. They feel nice. No complaints, no complaints. Oh yeah, this one fits quite a bit nicer. I don't know, it's just a cut a bit maybe. Got a hole stripe all the way down the leg. Squat test. Alright, there you have it. So the two pairs of the Under Armour golf pants, you know, dress pants, nice pants. If you guys need these and you don't like wearing, you know, dress suits like I do, go for athletic things like this. They're breathable, they're stretchy, and I'm pretty sure you'll be a lot more comfortable in them than if you were to do, you know, non-breathable cotton or just something to grow. So anyways, I talk too much, I stumble too much on my words. Till next time.